Hi everyone, this is Chandan and you are watching the Learning Field, and in this video we are going to solve a questions of GATE 2024, and this is from ODE. The question 63 says that consider the boundary value problem, this one, and has infinitely many distinct solutions when k equal to what? Here one k present in the boundary condition of this problem. So let's solve this problem, and before starting I am requesting you to all those who are new in my channel, please give a like to this video, share with your friends and subscribe the channel, and our target is 10k subscriber as soon as possible. So please like, share. Now in this problem, this is a very nice problem, and behind the question the concept is what? So what is firstly CAU, Cauchy-Euler form. Cauchy-Euler form of ODE. So we have to know this thing. So which is if ax square y double dash plus bx y dash plus cy equal to 0 and the boundary condition present here. This is known as the Cauchy-Euler equation, and the solution of this process, how can we solve the problem? The auxiliary equation. What is the auxiliary equation? M square plus b minus a into m plus c, this is equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation, and if we find the roots of this auxiliary equation m1 and m2 distinct, then we can write the solution in the form of c1 x to the power m1 plus c2 x to the power m2. And in case of the repeated roots, you can know the process how can we write this solution. So see here, the value of a equal to 1, b equal to -2 and c equal to 2. So the auxiliary equation becomes m square minus -2 minus 1 into m plus 2 is equal to 0, and from this equation we get the value of m equal to 2 and 1. Therefore we can write the solution in the form y equal to c1 x square plus c2 x. This is the solution, and here y dash present, so we can find y dash equal to 2 c1x plus c2. Now if we apply the first boundary condition, then we get y1 plus y1 minus y dash 1, this is equal to 1. This implies y1 means this one, so c1 plus c2 minus, from here we write 2c1 plus c2, this is equal to 1. So c2 goes to cancel out, and minus c1 equal to 1, that is c1 equal to minus of 1. Now we find the value of c1. This is a finite value. Now when this equation gives you infinitely many solution, when the c2 is arbitrary, that is coefficient of c2 we calculate from using the boundary condition. If the coefficient of c2 is 0, then c2 is arbitrary. We don't get any finite value of c2, and in that case only this equation have infinitely many solutions. So from the second boundary condition we can write y2 plus minus k y dash 2, this is equal to 4. This implies y2 means what? Y2 means, from here we can write c1 4c1, so 4c1 plus 2c2 minus k into y dash means 4c1 plus c2, this is equal to 4. Now we can put the value of c1 here, and so we don't need the c1 here. Now coefficient of c2 equal to what? Coefficient of c2 equal to 2 minus k. Coefficient of c2 equal to 2 minus k from this equation, and c2 will vanish. For means what? For means the coefficient of c2 will be 0. So when c2 vanishes, only when the coefficient of c2 equal to 0, and the coefficient of c2 from here, if we put 0, then we get the value of k equal to 2. So that means this equation will have has infinitely many distinct solutions when k equal to 2. So this is the solution of this problem. I think you all will understand this solution, and if you will understand, then definitely give a like to this video, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Okay, and this GATE 2024 solutions, I'll already make a separate playlist of GATE 2024 MA. So you will get by question number 1 by 1 solution, all the solution of GATE 2024 mathematics. You can check this playlist for the other solutions. Okay, thank you, bye.